Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Subscribe to our channel and comment for a chance to win this travel carrier here. This is the same exact travel carrier I used when I brought Luna home about 4 weeks ago. Actually, two puppies fit in this carrier at once, her and her brother. This is mine, so I'm going to show you, but I do have a brand new one that will go to our one lucky winner. This travel carrier is so awesome. I love it. It does have an $80 value. So this pet carrier is approved for airline travel, and it does fit underneath the seat in front of you, so it is good to use for that. And also you can use this for cats or any other type of animals that you are planning on traveling with. It just asks for a recommended weight of 15 pounds or less. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little bit about the travel carrier that I'm giving away. The top is mesh here, so the doggy can see out of it, and also from the side. So you can enter from the side here at the top here, or you can open up the bag as it is expandable. And then once it's expanded, you can open here. So your dog has 3 ways to enter. And then this actually can close here as well. So it does have a shoulder strap, as well as the regular carrying handles. Inside of the carrier comes this foam pad here that is detachable and washable. So you can unzip it here and wash it in the washer if your dog has an accident. I recommend putting a potty pad around it if you do travel, so that way you don't have to wash it. This one here will not be given away because look at Miss Luna here likes to chew on everything. So if you are getting a puppy, be prepared for her to chew or him to chew on everything. But once again, we just want to say thank you for watching and have a great day. Good luck to everyone. Bye-bye.